Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to edit SharePoint page. So on your SharePoint site, go to your theme. So for example, I have this created theme, and then once you are directed to your site content, go to this settings icon and go to change the look. You'll find here theme. So you could change the color in here. So there are different color palettes here, but since I don't have much on my page, you won't see the changes. Later on, we will see more changes on the page, but that is how you could change your color palette for the page. And then go back again to change the look, and here you can also edit the header. Like, how do you want it to appear? So these are the options, and this is how they would look like. You can also change the theme, color of the header, and of course you could change the icons. So just click change. For the logo as well, you could change it, but I will not change it for this one. And then don't forget to click save once you're done making some changes. And then another thing that we could do is under change the look, you could also change the navigation. So you can change it to horizontal, vertical, and you can see here more options under horizontal. So for any changes you made, once again, just click save. And then another thing is you can go to site settings. Okay, so here you can also change the look, but what this will do is it will provide you templates that you can use for your site. So for example, I'm going to use this template, and then if you want to try it out, just go click try it out, but you can also see some options there that you can play around. And then here it would appear how it would look like to your site, and then you can keep it if you want, but you can select no if you want to choose another template. And that's it. That's how you edit your site page. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.